Hey there, spice enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the wonders of cumin. Stay tuned to learn why the spice should be a staple in your kitchen. Did you know? Cumin is used in cuisines around the world and adds a unique flavor and aroma to your dishes. Here are the top 3 health benefits of cumin, backed by research. Cumin can enhance your digestive health by up to 50%. It helps in stimulating enzymes that break down food. Just 1 tablespoon of cumin provides 66% of your daily iron requirement. Perfect for boosting your energy levels. Cumin is packed with antioxidants, which can increase your body's antioxidant activity by 45%, fighting off free radicals. From curries to soups, cumin adds a warm, earthy flavor. It's a must-have for any culinary magic. Visit our shop ebuy24.com. Like, comment, and subscribe.